Here are the directions to the next page in your autobiography, and it's all about the Iditarod. The first thing that you'll have to do is get out the sheet of paper that I sent to you that looks like this. Now this is last year's, and we were able to type the whole thing at school, so it's going to look a little different than the one you have. Yours will look similar to this, but you will notice that you'll have some blanks that you need to fill in with your own words. So using a pencil or a pen, wherever there is a blank spot, you need to write down the answer to fill that in. One of the things that it asks you is the name of your mushers and what place they finished. And I want to show you on your musher cards. So you each have your musher cards that I sent along that look similar to this. On the back of your musher cards, you will see what place that they finished. So last year, this musher finished in 6th place. Some of you will either see the letter S or the word scratched, which means they scratched. So when it asks you on this page about the musher's name, their musher's name, and what place they finished, that's where you go to look at it. I have written it on the back of your card. So after you have this sheet filled out, you're ready to start in your autobiography. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to decorate the blank page in a theme of Iditarod. So you can see here that she made some big bubble letters with Iditarod words for dog sledding, haw, and mush, and created some dog footprints running across her page. After you've created your background and it looks colorful and beautiful, you're going to then take your musher's cards and you're going to tape them on so they open up like flaps. And to do that, you just put a piece of Scotch tape here and a piece of tape here so that they open and your background will be behind them. Now after you have your musher cards down, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this sheet that you have written and put a piece of tape across the top to create a flap on it, so that when you get to this page, this opens like this and your musher cards open like flaps and you have a beautiful background in the back. Here's another example. Here's another background. A nice outdoors theme like the Iditarod with some trees and the dog footprints going on the trail across the water. So there's the background. Looks beautiful. They took their time on it. Now come the flaps. She has hers coming in from the other side, folding this way. She also put a little piece of blue paper behind it. And there's her other card. And then she has her Iditarod page taped across the top as a flap. And that's how you do your Iditarod autobiography page.